How cellular energy impacts weight loss and how to fix it. When weight loss stalls despite diet and exercise, the problem may lie deeper, at the cellular level. Cellular energy, driven by mitochondria, determines how efficiently your body burns fat. If your cells can't produce enough energy, your metabolism slows, fat accumulates, and weight loss becomes difficult. Want to burn more calories and feel great every day? Visit the link below in the description to get started now. Here's how cellular energy impacts weight loss, and how to fix it. 1. Understand cellular energy and mitochondria. Mitochondria are tiny organelles in your cells that produce ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy your body uses for everything, including fat burning. When they're sluggish, so is your metabolism. 2. Mitochondrial dysfunction blocks fat loss. Poor diet, toxins, chronic stress, and aging can damage mitochondria. This leads to low energy, insulin resistance, and slow fat oxidation, key reasons weight loss plateaus even with effort. 3. Fix it with the right nutrients. Fuel your mitochondria with nutrients like magnesium, B vitamins, especially B1, B2, B3, B5, coenzyme Q10, alpha-lipoic acid. These help mitochondria produce energy more efficiently. 4. Try intermittent fasting. Fasting promotes mitophagy, the recycling of damaged mitochondria, and boosts fat burning. 5. Use exercise strategically. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) enhances mitochondrial performance and increases calorie burn even at rest. 6. Reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation disrupts energy production. Cut back on processed foods and include anti-inflammatory options like turmeric, green tea, and omega-3s. 7. Support hormone balance. Hormones like insulin, thyroid, and cortisol regulate how your body uses energy. Balanced hormones support better metabolism and weight control. Improving your cellular energy is the key to breaking through fat loss resistance. By supporting your mitochondria, you unlock more efficient fat burning from the inside out. Looking to boost your metabolism and power through your day? Want to burn more calories and feel great every day? Visit the link below in the description to get started now. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.